Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can sign into YouTube right here. Notice this itself is a YouTube window. I wanted to sign in. Right? If you come right here to the right, you notice it says sign in. If I come right here so to the left, you notice it's the same word sign in. Right? So I'm going to click on the word sign in. So when I sign in, definitely you see it up here. So notice it start to move. Now it take me right around here to where the email addresses are. So we're going to select one. So I'm going to click one. Now when you click one, now you're going to ask you for the password. So what you wanted to do, enter the password. Now when you enter the password, you can press enter on your keyboard or you can click right as next. But bear it in mind, pay attention if the cap lock is on. If the cap lock is on, just show that the password is incorrect when you type in the right thing. Alright? So if you notice, you're going to take me directly back to the window. So far, if you notice right up here, just show you right here that actually sign in. All right, you notice it start to show back some. You notice it show there it is I'm signing. Definitely. So I have access to something that I never have access to before signing. Right? If you notice right there, so if you want to do the computer program, you click it. Mix. If you want to see about if I click right here on the computer thing right here, notice this is what come up. And if I click on the mix, this is what happen. You get different type of stuff here. If I come here and I click on live, you notice right here you get all the live program and all of that. So all of this come if you want martial art, you click right here. Just the same if a person like to watch, then all of that. Very important. So what if you want to sign back out of the account? Don't think that you have to do is come right here, click on the photo. If you notice right here, it says sign out. You're gonna click and then click sign out. And definitely right up here, so you notice it shows a please wait. Right? And notice it actually take us directly back to where we were before. Right? If you notice up here, says sign in now. So very important. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.